Good morning, class. I'm Mr. David. Can I have everybody's attention, please? When I say that, I would like everyone to repeat back, macaroni and cheese. So let's go ahead and give it a try, okay? Can I have everyone's attention, please? Macaroni and cheese. Great, excellent. You guys are doing awesome. So today we're going to learn a little bit about rhythm. Does anybody know what rhythm is? Yeah. Sounds, yes. Yeah, it has to do with sounds. It is like the pattern of the sounds. So within that, we're going to learn to identify short and long sounds in a song. I'm going to show you guys something, and then afterwards I'll have you repeat after me, okay? So this is what a rhythm sounds like. So I'm keeping a steady rhythm. Now I'd like you to echo that back on the count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. So we're actually going to use this rhythm to sing a song. Now the beginning words of this song I'm going to say, and then I'll have you repeat after me again. So it goes, ram, sam, sam, ram, sam, sam. I'd like everybody to repeat after me after I say 1, 2, ready, go. So 1, 2, ready, go. Ram, sam, sam, ram, sam, sam. Great, very good, class. You guys nailed it. So now we're going to actually add a little bit of voice to it. We're going to sing the words and clap them together. I'll show you an example. Ram, sam, sam, ram, sam, sam. So on the count of 4, I would like everybody to do that with me, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Ram, sam, sam, ram, sam, sam. Okay, great. You're doing great, class. We're going to move on to the next part of the song. First, I'll show you how we're going to interact with the rhythm. So here we go. The next part is gooly, 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 ram, sam, sam. So when we do that, we're going to do the gooly, 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 gooly by patting our thighs just like I did. So let's give it a shot on the count of 4. Let's try that, okay? 1, 2, ready, go. Gooly, 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 gooly. Okay, great. You guys did it. I should have instructed not to say a ram, sam, sam after, but I'm very glad that you guys remembered that. So let's try to put it all together. But before we do, I wanted to ask you a little bit about what we just did. So as you can see, we did a ram, sam, sam, a ram, sam, sam. And you see how each word has one note. That's what these are called, notes. This is called a quarter note, but we'll go over that a little more in another lesson. And so each beat, each sound, is one part of the rhythm. But if we look at gooly, 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 you see that there's a connector here, right? So what that tells us is that these sounds are going to be a little bit quicker. So do you think that these sounds are shorter or longer than these? Anybody? Okay. Why do you think it's shorter? Because it's happening fast. That's really good. Yeah, so we're doing it quicker, so each sound ends quicker, which means it's shorter. So that's great. We've identified that these sounds are a little bit longer than these sounds, and these sounds are a little bit shorter than these. Very good. So now that we've got that out of the way, let's go ahead and put the first 2 parts that we've learned together. And you can read it right here on the projector. So we have the first part, a ram, sam, sam, ram, sam, sam, gooly, 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 ram, sam, sam. Don't worry about the next part. We're going to get to it, okay? So on the count of 4, let's go ahead. 1, 2, ready, go. A ram, sam, sam, a ram, sam, sam, gooly, 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 ram, sam, sam, a ram, sam, sam, ram, sam, sam, gooly, 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 ram, sam, sam, Okay, great class. Thanks for following with me. I know I didn't mention to do it twice, so I'm glad some of you caught on and continued with me. Okay, great. So we've got that part together, and once we get everything together, I'm going to play the song for you. So let's nail this last part and figure out where to go from there. Okay, so before we do this, I'm just going to sing this by myself and then ask you a question, and then we'll sing it all together. So it goes, a-ra-fee, guli 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 ram sam sam. So let's look at this first part. A-ra-fee, a-ra-fee. Does anyone want to take a stab at whether or not this note, or this sound rather, is shorter or longer than either of these two sounds? Okay? Okay, yes, go ahead. Longer. That's great. Now, why do you say it's longer? Okay, yeah, because you're saying it longer. Rafi. Yeah, you're holding it longer. That's great. That's a really good observation. Thank you. You guys are so smart. That's awesome. You make my job so easy. Okay, so let's go ahead and practice this part just by itself together, and then we're going to do it one time through. We're going to do this whole thing one time through, and then we're going to actually listen to the song and do it together. But a little warning, every time we get through it, it speeds up just a little bit. It's going to be a lot of fun, and if it gets too hectic, I'll stop the song. Your teacher's probably going to get tired way before you guys do. So yeah, let's go ahead and try this part. Okay, on the count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. A-ra-fee, guli 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 ram sam sam. Okay, great. Thank you guys for following along. Let's try it one whole time through. So we've got it right here. If anyone needs the reference, we can read along as we do it. We're going to go one full time through. Okay. Can I have everyone's attention, please? Macaroni and cheese. Great, thank you. You guys are so good. I just noticed a couple of you were starting to get distracted. Wanted to bring everyone back, get your focus back to the front, and we're good to go. All right, on the count of 4, we're going to start. 1, 2, 3, 4. A ram sam sam, a ram sam sam, guli 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 ram sam sam, a ram sam sam. Ram sam sam, guli 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 ram sam sam. A-ra-fee, guli 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 ram sam sam. A-ra-fee, guli 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 ram sam sam. Great job, everybody. I know it's a lot to coordinate at once. You guys, I saw you out there. You were doing really good. Even I was getting lost. So don't feel bad. This is just for fun. We're having fun here, okay? So let's, I'm going to just go ahead and jump in, play the song for us, and we are going to do our best to follow along. We'll probably just listen to it speed up twice for the sake of time, because looks like class is almost over. But yeah, everybody get your thinking caps on. Get to work, and we're going to have a lot of fun. It's going to be a lot of physical movement, so let's go.
Arms up high, reach for the
So let's follow along with what they're saying.
Let's sing and move along to
Follow
the
that
silly, silly ram sam song. A ram sam sam, a ram sam sam, gooly 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 ram sam sam. A ram sam sam, a ram sam sam, gooly 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 ram sam sam. For the sky.
Okay, kids, you ready?
If you want to be a ram sam master, you've got to go a little faster. Oh, ram sam sam, oh, ram sam sam, gooly 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 ram sam sam. Oh, ram sam sam, oh, ram sam sam, gooly 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 ram sam sam. Oh, Rafi, gooly 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 ram sam sam. Oh, Rafi, gooly 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 ram sam sam.
Okay, kids, we did run out of time. It went a little bit longer than I intended. So we're going to stop it here. Today we learned a little bit about shorter sounds and longer sounds, what rhythm is, and coordination. We remembered a lot. We moved a lot. You guys did wonderfully. Thank you so much for being here and having fun and trying. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, and have a lovely day. Thank you. You all made mine.